Hello and welcome back to our channel Oracle CPQ Gurus. I hope you guys have seen the previous videos like Oracle CPQ seamless integration with eSign and previous REST API videos and this Redwood also. Today we are going to discuss about the topic called how to install the Oracle CPQ DevKit and how can we use it. It is a very interesting topic and it is the third party trademark tool. So first we need to understand what is the use of it. By using the Oracle DevKit, you can able to download all the your commerce and configuration and build libraries and all the data tables and parts, etc. We can able to download from the VS Code itself. So before moving into the topic, let me open the VS Code. In the VS Code, we have the search bar, right? We have the extension place. In the extension place, if you see here, there is extensions, right? Click on the extensions. In that extension, you just search on the CPQ DevKit. So I have already installed it. So if you want to install, right, you just need to click on the install button. Here you have the install button, you just click on that. After installing this thing, right, the major step you need to follow, so you need to create a folder. First you need to create a folder like .cpq devkit. After in this folder you need to create a two JSON files. If you see here, there is a developer.json and you need to create a two files. And how you need to create, I will just explain you. Just follow the same step. Just go, if you see here my notepad, right, in the first file you need to create a project configuration. The file naming should be the same in this way, the project.config.jsonc. So the same payload is there, right? You need to give all this payload in this file, first file. And second file, you need to create a developer.json.config.jsonc. In this file, right, you will have your environment credentials. For example, you want to switch between one environment to another environment. So then in this case, you need to use dev and UAT. You need to give it that URL here up to .com. After that, that site pass username and password the same way. So if you are using only one environment to download, so you just remove this UAT and just only the dev. After the so these are the steps, right, you need to follow. And before that you need to understand how you need to take that payload, like a JSON structure, right? You need to type the devkit oracle in Google. So in devkit URL you have type, right? Let me give that Oracle CPQ. So this is the first file, you will get it. So click on that CPQ developer advocate. Here you will have the step by step how you need to do, right? So if you see here, right, I just explained you that these are the features what are the available. You can able to format your file .bml json xml way, and it will give some safe functions for the auto completion that will automatically can complete that. The first, this is the configuration files I have explained you, right? First you need to create that project.json.jsonc first file. In this file you will have this JSON format, tables, utils and everything, the version, the same copy from here. After that, the second file is there, right? Developer configuration. You just need to give this JSON. Here in HTTPS URL, you need to give your dev URL and username and password of that site. So after giving all these things, right, it will do the authentication. You need to log into the DevKit on. You need to allow this site. Once you allow this site, right, you come to the VS Code. If you see the VS Code, right, just open any file.bml. Here there is a top right, there is search bar, right? Just give that CPQ DevKit. These are all the comments of the CPQ DevKit, we have installed it, right? If I want, for example, if I want all the tables, right? So I just click on that, select that get all data tables. Now, this all the data tables are going to download it in the my CPQ DevKit folder. We have created the folder, right? First folder. In the same folder only, you just need to give these two files, developer.json, project.json. The same in that particular folder only, all the data tables are going to download. Once all the data tables are downloaded, right? So then you'll get the message like in the command prompt, you'll get the message like successful. Because we have the so many data tables in the site, so it is taking some time. Once this all the files are downloaded, right, then it will be show it in the folder. You can able to simply check the each folder of the data tables. The same similar way, if you want to download like all the BML, like BML coding thing, right? You can just search on the CPQ DevKit, and if you have all the BML, it will download all the BML function. So if you see here, all the 128 data tables from my site got downloaded in my local in my laptop. So let me open the folder. If you see, this is my folder CPQ DevKit, and if you see here that underscore tables. So all the tables which is processing, right, all the tables got downloaded. If you open this tables, right, ABO, it will be like in the JSON structure. The complete table will be like in a JSON structure payload. So if you want to download similar way, you can able to download all the BMLs also. Let me try this also. CPQ DevKit. If you want, you can able to convert to the JSON also. If you want, you can convert to the CSV also. If you want, you can able to validate. For example, if you in the we have created file, right, developer JSON. In that file, if you give the U8 environment also, you can able to switch from one environment to another environment also. So if you want to deploy the functions, right, you can able to deploy that. If you want to get all the data, you can able to, like, if you want to get all the assets, right, you can able to download. So in this way you can able to download all the things whichever the supported, right? If you want only the one table, if you click that one table, right, so I think it is not okay, this command is not I think not properly configured. Okay, for example, if I want to get all BML, right, I can able to download all the BML files like commas, util libraries, commas, all the things will be downloaded. So if anyone already using, or if anyone want to try to use it, they can let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's all about this video. This is taking some time. Let me show how it will download it, right? The same similar way I already downloaded. If you see here, if you see here the commerce, in this way all the commerce processes like all the commerce libraries will be downloaded, .bml, e-signature and everything. Same way the util also will be downloaded. If you give that get all BML, right, it will download all the util files and commerce library files in your local repository in your laptop, and you can able to use those files in VS Code, and you can able to push the code to the server. Yeah, let me check that it is good in download or not. Yeah, if you see here, it is downloaded all the files whichever you have discussed, right? All the commerce library, like commerce libraries and all the utils, it is downloading. Once they finish it, right, you can able to check in like in the folder way. In the folder, in the commerce folder, you'll have all the commerce. In the util, you'll have all the util. You guys let me know in the comments. Just try this and check that how it is comfortable to your process and how it will be helpful for you. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.